A new electric drive system will make flying in the future greener and more sustainable than ever. Working in close cooperation, Diamond Aircraft, Siemens and EADS have now developed the second generation of airplanes powered by serial hybrid electric drives. This achievement marks a key milestone on the path to sustainable air travel.
I'm very proud about the positive results which we achieved with our serial hybrid engine second generation.
The new technology will make it possible to considerably reduce fuel consumption while cutting emissions by some 25%. When empty, the new airplane weighs around 100 kilos less than its predecessor.
For the first time, a serial hybrid electric aircraft has the payload and the range that you expect from a utility aircraft.
The airplane is powered by a hybrid system comprising an integrated drive system from Siemens and a generator fed by a small rotary engine.
The reduced weight of the electrical engines plus the high performance allows us to produce extremely efficient serial hybrid aircraft.
The new drive system delivers 80 kilowatts of power during takeoff and climb. Quiet and efficient, powered only by a Siemens integrated drive system, the maiden flight in June 2013 was a complete success.
Electric drives are scalable. Therefore, we expect that in the future, also airliners for 50 or 100 passengers will have hybrid electric drives.
The test flights have shown that the Siemens concept for integrated drive systems is a major step forward in the drive to make the new technology commercially feasible. After all, the only thing better than flying is flying sustainably.